WUSA 9 Weather Watch Alert is sponsored by Morgan & Morgan.
Hey there, I'm meteorologist Michaela Lucero. Monday is a weather watch alert day. We are expecting showers, storms, and potentially severe storms to move through the D.C. region. Waking up on Monday morning, it's going to be, well, actually a pretty nice start to the day. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s to low 70s, and humidity, oh man, it is joining the party. It's going to be a little bit of a sticky start to your day. 73 is what we're waking up to in D.C., 70 in Leesburg, Manassas, 71 for Frederick and Fredericksburg, upper 60s for Martinsburg into Front Royal as well. As we move throughout the day, a couple clouds we see in the morning will only continue to increase. As we get towards that lunchtime hour, temperatures are in those mid 80s and we'll start to see those mostly cloudy skies. Getting into the later part of the afternoon and evening, showers and storms roll through the region and our temperatures will stay on the warm side. The higher our temperature is, the more energy we have in the atmosphere to work with for some storms. So we're going to start Monday morning. This is midnight. We'll see a few lingering showers early on in the day and then just some broken cloud cover early on. This is right around 6 a.m. and you'll probably need those sunglasses for your commute to work, which you'll need the umbrella for your commute home. 8 a.m. most of us clear. However, by about 1 o'clock, we're starting to see a few showers bubbling up for our far western counties. Now notice this line of showers and storms really starts to develop as we get to about 2 to 3 o'clock. Here we are at 3 p.m. Heavy rainfall just past the I-81 corridor for places like Martinsburg into Winchester as well and Hagerstown. Then we'll start to see even more wet weather developing, pockets of very heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and potentially some of that hail along with it. Now, right at about 5 p.m. commute times, that's when this line of showers and storms just explodes. Heavy rainfall as this tight line of storms start to make it into regions like Leesburg, just outside of Manassas, and into Culpeper and Orange as well, passing through Luray just past Front Royal. Really just moving past the I-81 corridor by about 5 o'clock. 6 p.m. starting to approach the D.C. region. Surrounding suburbs will already start to be seeing some of the very heavy rainfall. And by 7 o'clock, it's a fast moving system. So between 6 and 7 is when this model is showing the heaviest rainfall passing through D.C., passing over I-95. So if you commute on I-95 between about, I'd say as early as 5 and as late as 7:30 to 8, you're going to be dealing with this significant weather. With this line of storms, we're going to be dealing with very gusty winds, frequent lightning, and quite a bit of thunder, as well as a potential for some of that hail as well. Now, where we see those colors of bright pinks almost turning white, that's when we can infer very heavy rainfall and potentially some hail from those areas as well. Now, notice by about 8 o'clock, most of that is out of here. It starts to pass over into the far eastern portions of Maryland and into Delaware as well. By 9 p.m., most of the region is completely clear and dry. We could see some very minor redevelopment as we get into the overnight hours between Monday and Tuesday. I'm talking just a stray shower or two, but that's about it as we get into Tuesday. Now, Tuesday, we can't rule out the chance for 1 or 2 pop-up showers, but it's going to be nothing compared to Monday. As far as our risk for severe weather, when we look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook, we are in a level 3 out of 5. It's called an enhanced risk. So that's a pretty high level risk for severe weather. This means that numerous severe storms are expected for your Monday afternoon and evening. This also means you need to have a way to get weather information. Right now, you can download our WUSA 9 app. When you download it, just allow location and notification services. So if there's a storm in your area, we can send you an alert to let you know. And even if you don't download our app, download some weather apps so you can get the information that you need to keep yourself and your family safe from these storms. All right, something else you can do right now is have a plan. Know where you're going to go. Tornadoes are not off the table for Monday's storms, so make sure you know, your kids know, your friends, your family, everybody knows where they're going to go when this significant weather passes through their region, because tomorrow just about all of us will be seeing those significant storms. So let's walk through our threats for Monday. The chance for seeing severe storms, it is high. I would expect to see a number of severe storms, numerous severe storms for Monday. The tornado threat is not zero tomorrow. It is on the low side, but we will have some spin in the atmosphere that we can't rule out an isolated tornado. The hail threat is moderate. If you can park the car in covered parking, that's going to be your best bet. And then wind threat, that's going to be high as well. Within some of those severe thunderstorm warnings that we're expecting, we could be seeing winds of 60, 70 miles an hour, potentially even greater than that. So those winds will also be something to watch out for as we get into Monday afternoon. Now, just a stray pop-up shower on Tuesday, and then even nicer weather as we get into Wednesday. So we just got to make it through the Monday storms before we have a pretty nice break in all of that wet weather. Let me walk you through your 10-day temperature trend here. We will cool off ever so slightly, mid-80s Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, back into the upper 80s to near 90s Friday on through the weekend and even into the start of next week as well. All right, here we go for that 7-day forecast. What you need to know right now is Monday will be a significant day as far as the weather goes. It is going to be showery, stormy, and potentially severe weather across the region. Tuesday, things improve significantly, and then Wednesday, Thursday, just a stray shower possible there. We'll keep a very low rain chance Friday on through the weekend.